Hi, everybody. Happy New Year. I just wanted to talk to you briefly about pacing. That's a question that's been coming up quite often in my trainings, and I'm sure you guys have encountered that as well when teachers are trying to learn STEM scopes and figuring out how long a scope takes, etc. As I had gone over before when I talked about bookmarks in a screencast a while back, I have bookmarked my teacher toolboxes just so that they're easy for me to get to quickly. So if I go here to the elementary teacher toolbox and then I go to resources, we do have these pacing guides. Now, I'm sure a lot of you are quite familiar with these pacing guides, but as we know, there are so many great resources available in STEMscopes. Sometimes we forget, or sometimes we realize that something was there that we weren't aware of. So I have been pulling these up quite a bit just to give them an idea of how long the segment should take in total. So the scopes that are available in that segment, and then as you can see, this one is 10 weeks long. So that has been something that's been helpful to me for me to show them when they're asking me lots of questions about timing of things, especially in elementary school when time is such a factor for those elementary school teachers. So I hope this is helpful, and I'm so excited to see you guys at the tot soon.